Hi guys, Juliana, your automotive woman. Today we're at 3S Go-Karts for the third round of EA Cars and Coffee. Huge thank you to Dave and Corey for entrusting me to bring it to my home track. This is where my passion for racing and for cars started. And FASTLANE lifestyle by Automotive Woman, this is where it came from the racetrack to the road. August 1st, guys, look for it.
Cars and Coffee, July 7th. And we are here today. You guys are here today. And I'd like to welcome Juliana. And she's here to talk about her new product.
Okay, thank you so much, Dave, for being here, and to Corey, everybody at EA Cars and Coffee, Engineered Automotive. I'm Juliana, I'm your automotive woman. If you guys are watching the vlog, this means so much to me, and I'm very humbled. This is where I grew up racing go-karts. This is where the passion for cars and race cars started at 5 years old. So to see this crowd, I just sincere thank you. It means so much. And in 3 weeks from now, I'm launching FASTLANE Lifestyle by Automotive Woman. It's my first product line. It's a quick detailer, August 1st. And it's really launching because of all this and our passion for race cars and cars. And when I was racing, I was responsible for making sure my go-kart, my race car looked good. Changing tires, changing gears, pretty much just getting dirty. I also have 2 older brothers, so they whoop my ass to do everything as well. And it starts now. So FASTLANE Lifestyle by Automotive Woman, my quick detailer, August 1st. And I just want to say thank you again for all the support and the positivity. And to Corey and Dave, this means so much to me.
That is awesome. You can check her YouTube site, Automotive Woman.
Yes.
Her products, her interviews, fantastic car interviews with great manufacturers, race car drivers. It's amazing.
Especially for the go-kart, pretty much anything from your decals to your chassis and especially to your wheels. Good for the aluminum or for magnesium wheels as well. So spray, wipe, and go. It's like if you're in a rush to get up on the grid and you don't want to look like poop. Nice. I also recommend microfiber cloth as well. They're a lot better, but I mean, you're at the racetrack. If you have to use a shop towel, it's fine.
Feel it?
Not
Smooth.
spray, wipe, and go, man. Has to be fast. Yeah, exactly the concept. It's spray, wipe, and go.
Look at that, just like new.
You like it?
I like it.
So, you know, exactly as I said, spray, wipe, and go. When we're at the racetrack or when you just had a bad detailing done and you need a quick spray.
Definitely makes a difference, that's for sure. Do I get to keep this?
No, someone else bought it. But you like?
I like.
Huge thank you to Dave and Corey for taking EA on the road and, well, coming into my home. Look for it, guys. FASTLANE Lifestyle by Automotive Woman, your quick detailer, coming this August. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when to watch next.